Hello, welcome to Math with Dotun. Today, I want to congratulate you if you have mastered your multiplication table. Alright, you know at least the multiplication facts of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 12. Okay, congratulations, because with these, you can easily do your division. Alright, and I want to show you how you can use the knowledge of your multiplication table to do your division without wasting your time. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to be doing short division. Okay, short division. So the first question we have is 5 to 2, all right, divided by 3. 522 divided by 3. That's the first question. All right, I've written out the multiplication of 3, the multiples of 3, so that you can easily follow me. All right, so now we're going to be dividing this by 3. We're taking it one by one, step by step. Remember, I'm just going to do short division. Okay, short division. Okay, short division is also long division in a shorter way, right? Where you don't need to write down your answers. Okay, you don't need to write down your procedures. Okay, and then remember that in division you must take it one by one, step by step. So I'm going to take it digit by digit. Okay, so now I go 3 in 5s. So that's how many 3s can I get in 5? Okay, so I check here, what's the closest multiple of 3 to 5? So I check from the multiples of 3. I have 3 times 1, 3, 3 times 2, 6. 6 is more than 5. So that means I can get up to 3 times 2. So 5 is in between 3 and 6. So that means I can only get 3 times 1. 3 times 1, 3 in 5. So how many times can I get 3 in 5? So that's times 1. 1. Since 3 times 1 is 3. Now, for me to know my remainder, I subtract that closest multiple to 5, which is 3. I subtract it from 5. So 5 minus 3 is 2. I take the remainder to the next digit. You can see that we're doing long division, but in a shorter way. We don't need to write it down. So now we take the remainder to the next digit. We have 22. Now, how many 3s are there in 22? How many 3s are there in 22? We check which is the closest multiple of 3 to 22. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. 24 is more than 22. So that means we are going with 3 times 7, 21. So how many times can we find 3 in 21? Times 7, right? So that will be 7. Okay? Then for us to know our remainder, we know that 3 times 7 is 21. We take that away from 22, and that is 1. So that's the remainder. So 3 in 22 is 7, remainder 1. I take the remainder to the next digit. Okay, so I have 12. So 3 in 12 now. What's the closest multiple? What multiple of 3 is 12? And that is 3 times 4, 12. So it means that I can have 3 in 12 4 times. 4 times. So my answer is 4. And that is it. I can easily check by multiplying the answer by the divisor. Alright, so 3 times 4 is 12. Right, to take 1. 3 times 7 is 21. 21 plus 1 is 22. So right to we'll carry the other 2. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 and 5. Checked. That means we are correct. Our answer is 174.